Boy, that was not easy. Very precarious trying to get that thing sliding down here. I always have about 4 foot. It's high there and I can't get it up that hill to slide down. I don't know, it just didn't seem as easy as the other ones. I had to use the skid steer here, hook underneath it to keep it from tipping over while I was moving it. And then I kind of hooked it and pulled it, tugged it this way until we finally sat down. So now I should be able to swing that ass around, bring this end over, pull it in there straight back to the blue one. Okay, so I've got it down into the pit. It's getting close to being in place. I'm gonna go look for my straps, but I'm a little bit concerned. How am I gonna get the next one in there to put on top? So, I don't know. I guess I'll figure something out. All right, here we are, getting close to setting her down on the pedestals, on the plates, whatever you want to call it. Foundation. All right, didn't go as smooth as I'd hoped, but we're almost there. All right, there we go. She's in place, and I just gotta fine tune it a little bit and nudge it around. But yeah, set down super nice, pretty darn close to exactly where I wanted it. So, little nudge, and we'll be done. And there it is, fine tuned, sitting exactly where it needs to be. Should have another one coming later this week. Hopefully I can get it placed either this week or next weekend. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this and you want to see the final project, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think.